All right, so you've heard me talk about this many times, and the staff gives me a really hard time for this, but I do a lot better with manual planning as opposed to just putting on a computer screen. I need something I can look at, I can touch, I can see, I can make notes on a sheet of paper. And so if you see here, this is our schedule for the rest of the week. We were short a guy, and so we come through and we adjust and we build the schedule based on the workflow and the hours that it takes to do the job. Rough guess, obviously, right? We add some buffer in there, we add some room so we don't screw up and accidentally under deliver on our promises. Our focus is always serving the client at a very high level, and so that's exactly what we're doing here. Is we're making sure we lay everything out. So we start in Shopware. We lay this out in Shopware first, and it starts with a document that looks like this right here. This is my daily planning sheet, and what I do is I print out every job that's in the shop. I export my customer list for the day. This has nothing to do with the fact that Shopware will do it for you or anything like that. That's not my point. My point is I need something to look at. I like to go talk to my guys. I like to understand what challenges are associated with each individual job. I like to ask them questions about the jobs that are coming in tomorrow. I like to ask my parts guy questions. I like to talk to my service advisor and give them a brief on what to expect with these jobs as they come in. So I like to have it in my hand as I walk around and talk to everybody. And this is about communication. One of the big things that we hear from technicians, we hear from service advisors, and we even hear it from some owners, is that there's a lack of communication in auto repair shops that causes mass confusion. And so we go around and we talk to everybody and we really understand. I actually use a draft sheet, right? And this is my draft sheet. And I know it's going to be hard to see, but every job that's currently here is on this sheet. Now, this is today's sheet. This is one that I build at the end of the day. I go down the list, and I figure out what's the status of each job. That helps me understand where the job's at, what's going on with it, what challenges did we face with it, did we meet expectations, did we not, did we call them, did we make sure we're all on the same page as far as what's going on. And so that's what this sheet is all about. And then that gets turned into this sheet, and this is my sheet for tomorrow. This is the daily plan. Everything that is new that is coming in is in yellow. All of my techs will get one of these as I go through the day. Now listen, I don't want you to think we're not using Shopware like it's supposed to be used. We still dispatch in workflow. We still use workflow on a daily basis. As a matter of fact, let's just turn you guys around. I'll just show you right here. This is our workflow screen, and you can see all of the work in our workflow screen is laid out based on who's doing the work. So I don't want you to think that we're not using Shopware in the way that it was designed to be used. It's not that. It's that I need a piece of paper where I can look at it and I can make notes and I can adjust and kind of get things laid out in my head first. Once I have an understanding where we're at, now I'm able to kind of put it in Shopware and keep everything in line. My service advisor and my parts guy can now manage dispatch. So if it's in waiting on parts, if it's in waiting on auth, or wherever section it's at, they know who it goes to, and it doesn't all have to be laid out to begin with. This helps kind of calm down some of the noise that can occur with digital workboards, because one of the things that you see happen is if they don't have clear communication on who it goes to, why it goes to them, does it go to somebody else first, that kind of thing. I can put all this on paper, and then they have something to reference back throughout the day. They can make notes on it, they can check off on it, they can show that they've called somebody. It's really just a place to make note and be able to reference in that way. So just wanted to show you guys my process, what I do every night when we're closing up the shop and planning for the next day. It's called bookending your day. If you don't have a plan, you're going to go home and toss and turn at night saying, oh my God, how am I going to get all this work done tomorrow? And this really helps streamline that process. It helps you go home and relax and be a dad, be a mom, be a husband, be a wife, whatever it may be. It allows you to have your life back when you get home, because you already know you've got a plan, you have an idea of what's coming up, so there's no surprises for you. Just my opinion. Hope you guys have a good one.